All right, so I started picking my green chilies. I only have a couple of plants here. I already picked a few. Got one more here that I can pick. I'm supposed to have a hard freeze tonight, so I've got to pick all my peppers. I've got some jalapenos over here. I've got some tomatoes over there. Everything's got to be picked. So yeah, you'll be seeing these in a video real soon. All right, so this is what I'm going to be using today. This is a RecTeq B380 pellet grill that I recently acquired from a neighbor. So we're going to use this tonight. There it is. You can see it. We're going to give this a try. And what we're going to do tonight, yeah, I harvested the green chilies from my little plant that was right back. Let's see if you can see it. I think it was right there. Anyway, yeah, it's supposed to get a hard freeze tonight. So what I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to make some smoked green chili poppers filled with cream cheese and brisket. So what would that be? Brisket, green chili poppers? I don't know. They're going to be delicious. Let's go inside. We'll put these together while this little bullseye is warming up. We'll give this a try. This is going to be the first cook on here. And hey, what better than making green chili poppers, right? All right, let's go get these made up. We'll be back. That should be heated up to 275 degrees. I'm using some hickory pellets. And yeah, we'll get this thing rolling. Start off with is just some original cream cheese. Softened. It's been sitting out a little while. All right. I'm going to use some Fort cheese, or just the, this is just Mexican style cheese. I'm just going to put a handful in there. Let's see. Probably be about, I don't know, equal portions, cream cheese to Mexican cheese. And you know, whenever I make brisket, if there's any ever left over, I always put it in a baggie and freeze it. So I've got some leftover brisket. I know. Nobody ever has leftover brisket. I know. So anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shred this up and mix this in with the filling for our poppers. And this is just going to be some good stuff. Okay, looks like a pretty good ratio, right? Mostly brisket and cheese, and got a little cream cheese in there to kind of hold it all together. Look at that. All right, let's get these green chilies sliced and filled. All right, so what we're going to do is cut them in half. I'm going to leave the lid on them. Let's see, I think I'm going to do this one this way. Okay, and I'll take these seeds out, and actually I'm going to save these seeds and let them dry up, and we'll probably plant these next year. We'll have some more. Now I can't really, these are from Hatch green chili seeds, but hey, you know, I don't live in Hatch, so I can't really call them Hatch green chilies. These are, let's see, Farmington green chilies. Yeah, grown in Farmington, New Mexico, not in Hatch, New Mexico. But they're still going to be green chili poppers. I'm going to clear them out, take out the membrane. Okay, so, you know, these aren't the largest green chilies. So I'm going to do my best to get these filled up. Look how nice that's going to be with all that brisket. All right, so I'm going to get these filled up. We'll be right back, and we'll wrap them with bacon and continue on. All right, so there they are stuffed. I've got 9 stuffed, so that left, I have 9 pieces of bacon. So that left 1 pepper, half a pepper, and I just sliced it real thin. We'll just lay those on top. Right, now I'm going to get the bacon on these. And you just start at one end. Kind of pull them a little bit, make them nice and tight. Hopefully 1 strip will be enough. Okay, looks like it's going to be close, but that's all right. All right, so that's all you do. Wrap them in bacon. Okay, and there you go. I've got my brisket, green chili, poppers, Smoked brisket, green chili poppers. And man, I'm really excited about that smoked brisket, man. I could have just put that without the cheese. Anyway, I did taste a little piece of this green chili. They're kind of like the medium, low medium, mild medium. They're not real spicy, so I'm going to put some of my world famous spicy SPG on top just to give them a little bit of a kick at the end. When these are all done, good color, I'm just going to do the one side. And let's go see if that bullseye is heated up to the 275, and we'll get these on. With this bullseye, the set point is 275. We got the meat temp if I had a probe, and then the actual inside is at 275. So we're running at 275. This baby is ready. Okay, once again, here's our brisket green chili poppers. I got some world famous SPG on there, and I got to tell you, that is all ready to go. And once again, I cannot call these hatch green chilies because they were grown in Farmington, New Mexico, not Hatch, New Mexico. So these were grown right back here, right on that plant right there, a little tiny plant that my son gave me. And you know, it had a heck of a time. When I took off for Oregon and was doing the fence, my nephew, he accidentally turned off my watering, my timer. And man, I got back, I thought they were dead. I kept watering them, they came back, and they gave me like 6 or 7 peppers, so I can't complain. All right, let's get these on there. We're gonna run 275 probably for about an hour and a half. I'll check them after an hour, but I'm gonna guess hour and a half, right around there. Want to make sure that bacon's done, and yeah, let's get these in. 380. All right, and I'm just gonna set these right in, right on the cooling rack, baking rack, whatever you want to call it. That makes it easy for when they're done. You just take them all out. All right, we'll see you. We'll probably check them in an hour. 1 hour in, it's still running at 275. I've watched it. I've seen it drop to 274 and go as high as 278. So it seems to be running pretty level. Let's give it a look. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. I think these are just about ready. I'm gonna give them probably about, I think I'm gonna give them about 15 to 20 more minutes just to crisp up that bacon a little bit more. We'll be back. All right, we're an hour and 15 in. Look at that. I'm gonna take these in, let them cool off for a few minutes. We'll do a taste test. All right, first cook on the RecTeq 380, Bullseye 380. Smoked brisket green chili poppers. Let's give it a taste. They smell amazing. Put a little of that spicy SPG to kick it up a notch. Mmm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Oh my goodness. I know what I'm definitely making every year with the green chili season. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Mmm. And the smoked brisket is still so good. Man, I'm gonna eat this whole thing. Mmm. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm. All right. Thanks for checking this out. Had some leftover smoked brisket. Grew some green chilies on that little plant right there. So good. Not super hot. Got a little bit of heat. Perfect. 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 All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. And if you get any green chilies, make poppers.